Car feels good. Oh,
okay.
Engine's great. Shifter's great, you know.
Amazing.
Oh yeah, no handbrake. Put it on the brake. Got it. It's in gear. Yes. Oh, hang on. Actually, I want to show you something cool. Keep your foot on the brake. All right, ready? All right. Hold your hand on that button right there.
Right there?
Yep, hold it. All right, now hit it a bunch of times so you get to 15. And when you're going from 14 to 15, hold it. Hold it.
Shit, sorry.
You're good. Okay, see L on?
Yeah, L on.
Okay, L. Now, click it again until 7.
Okay.
Ah, that's okay. Here, I'll do it.
What does that do?
Giving you a digital tachometer.
Oh, wow.
This is like...
This is nerdy BMW stuff.
Uh-huh, yeah. I like found this on a forum, I'm like, no way this works. And then I tried it and it works.
You have to do it every time?
Yes, yeah, when you shut the car off, it's...
All right, how do I start this again? All right, there we go, okay. Oh, wow, look at that.
I know, and if you click it one more, you get speed out in kilometers.
Wow, that's fun. All right, let's see, we got brake lights on, check engine lights on, check control on.
Yes, yeah, brake pads are fine.
Okay, brake light failure.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
That's fine. Everything seems to be operating as normal. Glove box.
This works as normal.
All right.
That's how it was intended from the factory.
Wonderful. All right. Well, we're back in Sunny's 200, how many thousand miles?
260 something now.
260 something thousand mile M3 E36. We filmed this on the street a little while ago.
Yes.
We may or may not do a drift lap. We'll see how it goes, how it feels.
Yeah.
It's the end of the day. The car's tired. It's getting a little greasy out.
It is. Oh, very greasy. I just found out unexpectedly.
Okay. We're on Continental DWS 06 plus tires or just 06s?
06 pluses.
06 pluses, nice. All
also, turn the headlights on.
You haven't got a chance to drive this yet.
I have not. Yeah. I'm still waiting on your truck.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Thanks.
If you do want to do drift lap, I will do that for you.
Oh yeah, is that off?
Yep.
One button press? I love it.
Yeah, one button press. Technically, actually, it does still have a tiny bit of the braking on. You can like hold it, and then it's like an extra mode. But this disables the secondary throttle body, so it won't cut power under any.
Need full off, whatever that is. Digital tack, look at that.
I know, right?
Oh, it's so cool.
These pads do need to be warmed up a considerable amount.
It's okay. And it's not quite greasy enough yet.
No, you're still probably gonna have to try. So you can do this however you want. I have found that this track is basically just third in this car. And then fourth gear on like the straights.
Yeah, yeah, it's 3/4. Power feels so good.
Yes. Definitely do a test brake.
You would?
I said definitely do a test brake.
Yeah, we'll take it easy on the straights.
Yeah. I've been kind of just like, 100's like a safe speed. Like you can definitely slow down from that.
Well, yeah, doesn't your sunroof start vibrating at
I've
over
taped,
100?
you see it?
Oh yeah, that's right, good.
Yeah.
I see that, nice.
Taped if it started
Racing tape.
Racing tape. Yeah, I'll fix that that brake issue over the winter, get some Shutter Stroker tires on this, and then you can have a proper,
Oh yeah, you'll be golden.
proper blast.
Yeah.
Okay, this year was good. We did the head gasket, now I'd like have a gauge as to what needs to be fixed.
Yep. That feels good on track. It's fun, man.
I know.
Yeah.
It's great. Definitely what you were saying is like when you drove it last, suspension could be a little bit tighter.
Yeah.
This and that, but it's like perfect for how I want it.
It feels about right for its all-season tires.
Yeah, exactly.
These DWSs are just awesome.
I know.
It's amazing how old they are, how well they've held up over time.
Yeah. Stephen in his Camaro, he's running the same tire on his today. And his car was like dancing with it. It was funny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The BMW we know and love.
Yes.
Give her a little kick. little too grippy here to slide with the conditions.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can do something here in third.
Oh, good luck.
Nope.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, that might have just been a fluke when you spun there.
Yeah. Awesome. It was like right here too.
Okay.
And I spun around into full 360. I'd have to look back at it.
Oh, yeah.
I wish Steve was filming, because I actually bet that would have looked really cool.
I've done 360s here. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a fun one.
It's tough.
That's more like it.
Oh, that's pretty good. Yep.
Yeah, the nice thing about drifting this in the rain is like 0 tire wear occurs because it's just so slippery.
Right, it's just kind of gliding across it.
It's
I
just-
even felt the rear kicking out there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's like glass right now. It's sketchy as hell.
Yeah.
That's why we're going very slow.
Yeah. Right. Brake pedal being okay for you?
Yeah, brake pedal feels fine. I mean, yeah, it has like a good amount of initial slip. Yeah, because it does kind of snap oversteer on initiation,
Yes,
but then you
feel that.
catch it. That's very classic BMW characteristics. Like you got to
Yeah.
catch it and then balance it with the power.
Yeah. I think what would help in that case, this is why a lot of drift guys do this, is they put on really stiff suspension.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, because the
makes-
body roll. Yep.
Right. They get rid of all the body roll and it makes the car very flicky.
Yep.
But then it does exactly what you want it to. Whereas this, you do kind of have to play that game. Okay, totally random. There it is.
There she was.
Yep.
And then this is new pavement where we can't slide as much.
Like my roommates, they run it all the time. I don't know why. Just like maybe it's because I'm a detailer.
Oh my gosh, I need you.
Yep.
Saved it. That was a lot of lock.
That was good.
That was a lot of angle.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it's tricky to get right sometimes.
Yeah.
I just want to do that corner over and over again. All right, I think that's a wrap. That was fun, man.
That was good.
Yeah, we got a couple good slides in there.
Yeah. Yeah, I only need his tires to go home, and then I don't know, maybe another week of driving, and then just gonna sit for the winter. And then need
Honestly,
tires.
they're probably so hard at this point, they'll last forever, but you just don't have the grip out of them that you need.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I think you had these tires on a couple years ago when I first filmed this car, right?
Yes. Yeah, these
Yeah.
rears are the same. The fronts. So the fronts actually, and I think this is also helping it oversteer a little bit. The fronts are now squared rears, so it's
Oh, yeah.
245 width all around now.
Oh, nice. Yeah, the turn-in's really sharp. Feels
Yes.
good. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, that definitely helps. All right, Sonny. Well, hey, thanks. That was fun, man.
Yeah.
Glad you brought this out. Glad you came out. Yeah.
Excited to do some more track driving. More
I
driving.
know. The old M3 still got it.
She does still got it.
Handbrake, for what it's worth. Does it do anything?
No.
A little bit of something.
It does, but you have to pull it up a lot more. And I was told from one of the track instructors of one of the groups I was in, do not use the handbrake when the brakes are hot on these cars.
Oh, definitely not. Yeah.
Because these are drums in the
They'll
rear.
melt to the
Exactly, to the hub.
yeah, to the hub.
I'm like, awesome. All right, so
Yeah, we weren't really on the brakes much, but yeah, they're probably still a little warm.
it's just a habit now.
Yep. Oh yeah, they're like, you know, barely warm your hands warm.
Yes, gas door. If I can, hold on, we might be able to fix this live.
That's just active arrow
we
in
go.
reverse. Yeah, it's your arrow brake.
It's a spring, I need a new one. Oh yeah, look at those tires, they're not even like, you got plenty of tread to go home on.
Oh yeah, you're fine. Yeah. In the wet, it doesn't wear anything out.
That's so funny.
you have nature's lubricant.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that was fun. I
Yeah.
look forward to see that video.
Me too.
Yeah. It's good.
Go check out Sonny's channel at m-t3ch mtech. Cool. See you guys in the next one.